the Shimbol ZOLink 600s, a budget wireless video system made for content creators. How good is it? Prepare to get taste. Mabuhay and what is up, tasters? Welcome to Taste or the Art of Sir Eden. If you are new to this channel and you're kind of interested in these kind of contents, be sure to subscribe and tap that bell there so you get notified whenever I uploaded a new video. And to all of my current subscribers, thank you so much for your support. You guys are awesome as always. And don't forget to follow me on my Facebook page, Instagram, TikTok for more videos, updates, and tips. Now, before anything else, I would like to thank Shimbol for sending me the 600s to review. Just to be clear, guys, I am not paid to do this video, so what I'm about to share is based on my own thoughts about their product. So let's get down to business. Now, this was sent to me before Christmas Eve. It is like a dream come true, and I'm really excited about this, although it took a while for me to make this video because I wanted to test it out more. Now, on paper, the transmission range is about 600 feet, so we are going to test it right now. Alright, so right now we are outside to do some range test with the Shimbol ZOLink 600s, and we got here this setup that I kind of did. I'm gonna make another separate video on this one so that you'll know what materials or tools or gears that I used in this setup. So, and in here we got here the TX attached to my Moza Air 2S gimbal, and as you can see here, the receiver. And we also connected my iPhone 11 Pro here. Right, so I'm going to walk as far away as I can from here to there to check how good is the range of the ZOLink 600s by Shimbol. All right, let's do the range test. And look how far we are from where we were before. Do we still have a signal? All right, so we have a signal. Okay, we're going further. All right, so I'm not sure how far we are, but I think this is about 100 meters. This is amazing, guys. We are, I think, reaching a 200-meter mark, and we're still going to check if we have a transmission going on. All right, so we still have a transmission, so let's go further. Let me know in the comment section below, what do you think about the transmission? All right, so we are going to do this in reverse. So I'm going as far away as I can with the receiver, and the transmitter will stay here with Adrian and the gimbal and the XT20. All right, so let's do this. Let's walk. All right, so let's do this. Again, we are walking away vlog style. As you can see, there is Adrian over there. By the way, I'm using my iPhone 11 Pro. So we're going to walk again. so I think it is still recording, and I haven't seen any glitches or interference from the feed that we're having right now. So this is it. Oh, look how far away we are. So we're going back, and we are still recording with the Fujifilm X-T20. We are almost there, guys. Almost there. And my left arm is tired. Really tired. Oh yeah, I can see myself now. There you are. Whew. Alright guys, that was really tiring, and we didn't experience any kind of interference, even though we have all of these cars on the side blocking, and I didn't also notice any glitch. All right, so let's go back to the studio, and we're going to discuss all the other features of this Shimbol 600s. Now, upon checking the Google Map, the exact distance of this range test is about 590 feet or 180 meters. So it's safe to say that the 600 feet range that Shimbol is advertising is 100% true. Now let's proceed to the unboxing and also take a closer look at the units. And here is the box. This is the Shimbol ZOLink 600s SDI version. On this side are the specifications. Feel free to pause this video and read. First thing in the box is an instruction manual, and right off the bat you will get the transmitter and the receiver with a USB Type-C cord for charging and firmware update, and that's it. Taking a closer look at the TX and RX, as you can see, they are really identical, and this is definitely feels like a deja vu to me, to be honest. In the front we got 3 buttons and a status screen. On this side is an on and off button, a 1/4 inch thread, and vent holes. In here are the USB Type-C port, HDMI port, and the SDI port. At the back is the NPF battery slot. At the top is where the hidden antennas are located, and at the bottom is another 1/4 inch thread and another vent holes. Now the vessel is made out of metal except for this part here, which is ABS plastic. Now, as I've said earlier, this can be powered by an NPF battery. Connect the TX or the transmitter to your camera with an HDMI or SDI, then the RX or receiver to the field monitor or any kind of monitor. Turn on your camera and the wireless video system as well, and you're good to go. You can also power this using a battery bank or a V-mount battery using the USB-C cable. The ZOLink 600s can also be connected to an app using your iOS devices, which is cool, and I'm going to talk about the Shimbol app and dive deeper into the functions of the TX and the RX in the next video, so stay tuned guys. Now let's talk about the perks and the things that I really like about this wireless video system while using it for almost a month. First is the form factor. I really dig the hidden antennas because, you know me, I get to be careless sometimes. Alright. With this feature, I don't have to worry about breaking or snapping any antenna whenever I use it. And for me, it is most secure this way and much more easier for me to set up. I mean, come on tasers. Dangling antennas are sometimes a drag, especially when you're in a hurry. Or at least in my case, I always set up my gear on a simple talking head like this, and then disassemble everything afterwards. So it kind of takes away the worrying part for me, and I couldn't stress that enough. Next is that you can power this using a USB-C cord, and that is very convenient for me because for some, they have tons of NPF batteries, but not me. I got more battery banks in my arsenal, which I use most of the time. And of course, this will work also with a V-mount battery as well. Now, I like the 600 feet range. And as you've seen in the range test, it is not the best, but for the price point, the ZOLink 600s is doing a great job. Now, speaking of price point, this is priced at $419, which makes it the most affordable wireless video system to date among its competitors. I also like the Shimbol app. It is simple and easy to use. It is great to have that option in case you forgot to bring your field monitor. Now, I really like the fanless feature. I don't have to worry about those fan noises, and it has those vents for heat dissipation. And because of that, it is now much more lightweight than the previous version. All right, now for the quirks, the number one concern of most of the YouTubers who reviewed this unit is this cannot be used for a follow focus system. So I contacted Shimbol and I asked them if they are going to release an update on that, and they responded that the ZOLink 600s is made for prosumer category, thus that I mentioned earlier in the beginning of this video, made for content creators like me, like us, and for those who are looking for an affordable wireless video system who isn't going to use the follow focus system, and that is their target market. Other than that, I didn't find any other things that I don't like about this device so far. And of course, here are a few notes that I wish Shimbol will consider to add on their next generation of wireless video system. And yes, there is the follow focus capability, in which I am pretty sure they'll include in their next version of their ZOLink lineup. And the other one is that I hope that they can add a feature where I can connect their ZOLink product to my computer and detect it as a capture card. Or maybe develop a Shimbol software for computers, Macs, and Windows that can be integrated with OBS for a wireless live stream capability without any capture card or video switcher needed. And I hope you're getting what I mean, Tasters and Shimbol, because that's going to be awesome. Overall, the Shimbol ZOLink 600s wireless video system is a very useful camera gear for me. Also, I strongly believe that this can still be used for professional purposes, since you can connect 3 iOS devices with your field monitor. So one for your client, one for your director, and you still got 2 more to delegate, which has decent signal, and all of this for a decent price. And I'd say that's a win. I'm actually loving it to the point that I made up this director's monitor rig. Also, when I'm shooting a talking head like this, I don't have to stand up and go to my camera where my monitor is attached just to adjust a tiny bit of a setting or watch the playback. Also, this works great when you have a 5-inch monitor and you are nearsighted. You can just put this beside you like what I'm doing right now. It's out of the frame, but it is here, and you'll have a better view of what you're shooting and apply those setting adjustments that you need without getting up on your seat. And those are the reasons why I'd recommend this to all of my fellow content creators and occasionally professionals who want to integrate a budget wireless video system to their workflow. I will leave the links in the description below on where you can get the Shimbol ZOLink 600s. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. If you want more videos like this, please consider subscribing and tap that bell there so you get notified whenever I uploaded a new video. And again, Tasters, this is the Art of Sir Eden. And together, let's explore, learn, create, and share. See you on my next video, guys. Taste Reviews, out.